I'm normal. My sense still there. Nobody thinks I'm I just there reason with myself, you know. Whole heap of people smoke and no chat foolishness, but Norasta my mind clear like spring water. Me been sitting out here and thinking about something deep, you know. Something where everybody read, but nobody ever stop to ask the real question. You remember the story about Apostle Peter? Jesus tell him say, before the cock crow 3 times, you go deny me. And brother Peter say, no sir, I would never do that. But still, him deny the man 3 times straight. Now the Bible tell you who they there. The soldiers, the servant girl, the crowd where look upon Peter. So we know everybody will see the denial. But my people, something there on my mind. Who the man or the woman who own the chicken them will crow? Eh? Cause if 3 cock crow, then somebody must have raised them cock, right? Me nah hear nobody talk about them part of the story. Think about it. The rooster them have to live somewhere. Maybe Peter did betray Jesus. Cause the owner raised some loudmouth chicken we can't mind them own business. Me I tell you, sometimes the smallest thing, like one little chicken, make history change star. If the cock never crow, maybe Peter would have tell lie 4 times, you see me? Me need to know who raised them 3 cock. I want name, I want address. Maybe the chicken them hold it too. Maybe them get yellow for the part them play. I'm serious for people. If you have the answer, drop it in the comment below. Cause I can't sleep till me know who own them chicken there. I swear upon me spliff. Now my people, for more ganja reasoning, don't forget to like and subscribe, you know. Make a reason together, elevate the mind and keep the vibes airy.